1998 GMC Savana with a 5.7 in it. It has a ticking sound. I just started it up. This morning it's about 29 degrees, so it's pretty cold. And I'll stand right next to this wheel well. You can hear it. Right now you don't hear a tick. You just hear the engine. And after about a minute, the tick starts. Ticking sound in the motor. Okay, I still can't hear a tick. But it should start up here pretty soon. I hope it don't, but it always has. Lately, I change oil very often. I just went 1,300 miles and changed the oil to 5W30. Added some Lucas oil stabilizer in it. And also some Rizlone. I think it's called Rizlone engine treatment that goes into the oil. Still no tick. Just give it a little bit. Sometimes it takes a little bit. There's no sound on startup right yet. I'll get to the front. I think I'm barely hearing it right now. And it's already been over 2 minutes. I'm surprised I'm not hearing it because I just changed the oil yesterday and put the stabilizer in and also the engine treatment. I'll be pretty excited if it goes away. I think it's a hydraulic lifter maybe. I hate making this video so long, but I want to see if the tick appears. Okay, I'm barely hearing it right now. That'd be pretty nice if that's all it sounded like. It wasn't any louder than that. Okay, now it's over the 3-minute mark. Of course, it takes a while for this engine to get totally warmed up. Probably 5 minutes, 7 minutes. I don't want to make the video that long, so I'll come back with another video. Or I might just wait because I kind of hear it. Let me go in and rev it up a little bit. See, it's got good oil pressure. It never trips a service engine soon light, so that never comes on. I can hear the tick. It's definitely better than it has been. So I'm hoping for the best.